Hi! Today I'm going to be showing you the new release items from Simon Hurley Create. There's a brand new release today and it is full of some wonderful products. There's a new ink color, 2 6x6 stencils, 2 6x6 red background stamps, and 2 6x8 clear stamps. So let's start off here with the ink. It's Prom Queen and it's a perfect deeper pink color. It fits right in with this existing line of inks. This stencil here is the POW stencil, and then there's also the bubble wrap stencil. Both of these are kind of wonky, and I love them so much. Next up are 2 6x6 background stamps. This one is Charming. It's a super cute geometric pattern. This second one is another geometric pattern called Jewel Heist, and this one is one of Simon Hurley Create's tear apart or pull apart backgrounds. So I love that you can pull this apart. It'll pull apart into 3 different sections. So you can stamp them all together or you can stamp them separately. In today's card, I'm going to show you how to stamp them separately. And I love that you can stamp just the middle if you want like a focal point across the center of your card. You can stamp just the top and the bottom. And then look at how they puzzle piece back together perfectly. So you can stamp them as one large background if you wanted to. Next up are the 2 new 6x8 clear stamp sets. This one is Super Mom. So Mother's Day is coming up and it's perfect for your mom, or for me, I don't have just one mom. I have a bunch of people who influenced me and who were mom figures to me growing up. So I love that Super Mom stamp set. This one here is the Doodle Florals, and it's a color layering stamp set. So I love how there's these outlines you can stamp in black or even heat emboss, and then fill in with all of these pretty solid stamps. So let's get started and make a card using this new release. I have a piece of cardstock from the Simon Hurley Create Stark White cardstock that I've cut down to A2 sized. Whenever I'm going to be doing ink blending or coloring or really anything when I want a bright white cardstock, I love this stark white cardstock. I feel like this is one of the only cardstocks that I have ever found that the ink colors stay true, especially when ink blending. So I'm going to be grabbing a sentiment from the Doodle Florals 6x8 stamp set, and my background is going to be with this Jewel Heist background stamp. So I've pulled it apart, and I've taken out the center portion because I'm going to have just the top and the bottom form like a little strip, and then I'll have my sentiment in the middle. So I'm going to be stamping all of these with white or with Versamark ink, and then embossing with white powder, so you can kind of see that here. Now I'm going to do some ink blending and create an embossed resist. So I have a little mini round foam ink blending tool from Ranger. And since this is a new ink blender, I'm going to really rub that into the ink and make sure that foam gets saturated with the ink. This is the new Simon Hurley Create ink color, Prom Queen. It's so pretty. It's a vibrant pink and it fits right in with the other colors. So I love this, and I wanted to pair this and show you how it blends with some of the others. So this color is Crown Me. This is a newer ink color that just got released a month or so ago. I'm going to blend that over the bottom, and I love how when it overlaps with the Prom Queen, you kind of get like a royal blue color. For the top, I'm going to blend on some Remember Me. This is one of the original ink colors, and it's my favorite kind of dark blue teal color. And when I overlap that with the Prom Queen, I'm going to get another shade of purple. So I thought about having orange at the top and creating more of a rainbow, but then I thought if I used this Remember Me, it would have that little bit of purple and it would kind of tie everything together. Now I just have a clean microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to put some muscle into this and buff away any ink that would be sitting on top of my heat embossed images. I have a little spray bottle, and I'm just going to spritz these inks. These inks are water reactive, and they react beautifully with water. See this bleaching effect? I super love that. Now you can kind of see I have a little blip here where I put my finger in the ink pad, so I'm just going to add some gems and cover that up and that will finish my card. So I hope you love this card, and I hope you love the new release from Simon Hurley Create. It's available now, so head over. I will link it down below in my video description as well as on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.